Ricky? Ricky, hello.
Hello. Let's go. Oh, a baby.
Sheep.
Here's the baby thing.
Okay. What she is doing? She is eating food?
No, it's not by the man.
Ricky? Where is sheep? How many sheep are there, Ricky?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Spider-Man, Ricky.
Oh, it's not
Oh, tractor is... Yeah, you can sit there later on if you want it. Amu is not here. Maybe we will see the other side. Come. Come this side. We will see horse, big horse there. Come this side, Ricky. Horse is not here. We will play here later. Come.
What? That is where
We have to see more farm animals.
that we already see.
Sheep, yeah.
Don't look inside there.
Yeah, we will go there.
I think maybe bunny done it.
Bunnies.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
Oh, it's a bunny.
bunnies over there.
Bunny done inside there. And then I see something. Maybe that's No! You're not bunny. Hamster.
Bunnies.
Dad.
Whoa. What is that? That's bunny. Little bunny. Oh,
That is baby.
you can see that bunnies.
No, they're not bun. They're not. Do look at that. Even the
Where are bunnies, Ricky? Wow, so cute bunnies, yeah?
they all are big. Oh, I see a big black bunny.
Big black, yeah.
That is the mother.
Yeah, mother, okay. You seen bunny house?
Yeah.
That's beautiful house.
Come.
Ricky, wait, I have to see.
No, a very cool bunny have top red.
Yeah.
Top red. Look,
That's cute. That's
I was scared from
no, you will not escape from this little one. This is very cute. You can see this is very cute, Ricky. You went to that little pipe. That's that's very cool.
It come out.
Where is Ricky? Sing something for me, ABC?
No.
No?
You want to this. Look. A turkey.
Turkey!
And a big moose.
Oh, so beautiful.
A turkey.
Where is turkey?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh.
Don't get me her. Take a photo.
Okay.
It's a big frog. He's having a very way.
What he's doing? They're very cute. Okay, who is there?
See, that's my friend.
That is your friend? She is very big sheep, huh?
Even the mother.
Come this side. First say hello. Say hello to her.
But she is captured here.
What is inside? Look, nothing is inside. You can't go.
No. There's no dog here.
No? Our new goat kids. Maybe new babies. Come. Look, something is over there, I think. Maybe it's only a toy.
She's gonna eat all of my food. Yes. It's eating all my food. Yeah, my. It's eating. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Ricky, she is coming. She is coming for food. Ricky?
Big one.
It's okay. It's okay. She will not hurt you. It's okay. She is little one. Just give her. Don't worry.
What? She's looking very fast. But you can't eat all mine. She's really very fast. There's some for the horse, okay? And the horse are very strong. Only with a bit. Only with a bit. Bye.
There you go. Where is pig?
Then I'm gonna call.
No, he is sleeping.
It's a big pig.
Oh, she's very cute, Ricky. Who is there? Dekho. Pigs are very lazy, है ना?
I'm not gonna do
Okay, give her little bit. She's asking Ricky. She's hungry.
It's eating very fast. What? Here to go. Here to go.
See.
Here to go. Here to go.
Riku, you can. Riku, she will finish your food.
Try to eat their food.
No, he can't eat. He can. Spider-Man is going fast than me. Oh, they are also eating food.
They're already.
I think they are not hungry, Ricky.
Maybe they don't want my food because they're already.
They have plenty of food.
My food.
Really? Okay, then we have to go back. Nobody is there. Come back. She want more food?
Yes, that's very.
Why she is so hungry?
You can't have them all. But they're not. But they're not food.
No food for you, sorry.
The only
Next time we will give you more.
Next time we're gonna give you all of this food, okay?
You can give little bit.
Only a bit of it.
Give her. It's okay. Nobody will come here. Give that one little bit. She is very hungry.
What? What?
She is your friend.
Oh, my food? What? You're very strong, Mike. You're very strong, Mike. Mike, you're very strong.
Okay, bye. Next time. You want to give little one? Up, 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 up.
No, only one in the top.
You're very. Okay, you give food to her.
Now it's your turn. Now it's nobody else's turn. Now it's your turn.
You can give food to them. It's okay.
No, but there's a tiny one there.
It's okay.
You want the fruit? Oh, what? This time.
Why? Come.
Oh,
Who is there?
Howie. How?
Oh, cow. Oh, beautiful, Ricky. They are little one, Ricky, है ना?
They're drinking, they're
Yeah, they are drinking milk. Yeah.
They don't want to, I think. Big dog, very strong. I can only give in my hand.
Because they like muddy puddles, है ना?
Yes. Yeah, so that's the mud puddle. So they have mud.
Ricky, maybe we can feed them or not? I'm
No.
not sure. No.
To help the very big. We can't feed them only cows.
Okay, just finish food here. Just feed them and just finish food. Give her food. Yeah.
Oh, he's very hungry.
Ricky, food will go to goats, sheep, cows.
Your turn. Oh, and don't take over.
Cows can eat food. Cows can eat food.
Cow can eat food.
But they are not hungry.
No, they're not hungry.
Maybe give food to them.
Only with the baby.
Yeah, not a little bit. Just finish food.
No, but they said that them for the cow. Even cow, goat, and
Sheep.
llama.
Yeah.
We need to roll it over. I'm gonna give it with my hand.
Not with. Okay, with the hand. You can give with the hand too. You can give with the hand. If you are not scared.
Like not give. You can give it with hand.
Cute.
But mine was very cute. Look, then to the top, then to the
Ricky, we can feed them too. Come. One other animal we can feed. Yeah. Come. Ricky, go that side. That way. Go, 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 go. Go, Ricky, go. Haan, yeah, we can feed them. We can. Yeah, we can feed them. Go.
I have some more. I feel that goat did eat all of my food. I take some for the others. We're going to give them all of them.
Yeah.
Okay?
Who is there? Nobody is this side? No, what is this side? I can't see. Oh, we can see one parrot over
I
that side. That side. It's on up. Oh, that side.
can't see it.
Okay. Come this side. We have to feed. What is name for that animal? Farm animal with long neck.
Llama.
Llama. But they write down something else. Spider-Man.
There, your phone. You can put it in your hand.
Horse. Horse is there. Okay, first finish.
No, that's a donkey.
Donkey. Not with the hand.
What? Grandma wants them? You want? He's very hungry.
Not eat bucket.
Can't eat all the bucket. He eat the food. What? You need to eat a hay. What? What? Eat the hay was funny. If you don't know, we're going to go to the goat.
Ricky, just finish food here. So we don't have to go the other side with the food.
I'm going to finish with the goat.
Ricky, we have to say hello to donkey. Come.
And we need to feed the donkey.
We will not feed donkey. Donkey can't eat this food.
But donkeys are very hungry.
They are very hungry.
Yes.
Okay. Where is that donkey who was making sounds?
That brown one.
Okay.
They're both are fighting over that brown one.
Okay. One is white color. Don't give food to donkeys, okay?
Okay.
They will not eat your food. They can eat grass.
That is black.
Oh, those are coming so fast, Ricky.
No!
Not our side.
No.
They're just kidding. They're just playing.
Eat that. They won't eat all of that, but the white one is no white. No, the white one is eating all of it.
Spider-Man in farm. Farm animals like Spider-Man. Very cool. Just finish your food so we can go somewhere else. Just finish your food. Just finish this food, please.
I'm going the goat are going to eat all of my food.
Really?
I have let the dog eat all of my food.
You can give to cow. They are little one.
The goat are going to eat. The goats are going
Riku.
to eat.
Okay, it's finished or not?
Not yet. No,
Give other one.
I don't have any more.
Wow.
I'm
It's
gonna-
finished?
I'm
Okay.
gonna get another bucket.
No, you don't have to take other bucket. It's
Whoa.
Riku, I can see. Riku, this is spinach. Ricky, spinach, beetroot, kale, lettuce, silver wheat, broccoli, snap peas. Wow, that's spring
Where
onions.
can you see broccoli.
This is broccoli. I don't know where is. And this is kale. This is kale, Ricky. This is beetroot. Whoa, beetroot. And spinach. Where is spinach? I can't see any spinach here. Spring onions, I think 2000 है ना Ricky? और 2000 oh garlic. This is garlic. This is garlic. Come. He is not very friendly. Oh wow, flowers, so beautiful. What is that? That's lemon tree. You got lemons. That's lemon tree. Who is there? Nobody is here. No. Or they are inside.
They're inside their house. Maybe they're inside their house.
Nobody is this side. Come that side. We go other side. What you can see from there?
See?
Oh, it's beautiful.
I can see
lake.
a lot. I can see a blue whale. Oh, this. I see a blue whale.
Blueberries. Oh. You have to open that one. You have to open. Where are bees? Here. Take a peek. Yep.
Okay.
Too many bees there. But that's inside glass. That's inside glass. They can't come outside. They are inside glass. Look, too many bees.
Take a naughty food.
What they are doing?
The goat want me to come.
Okay. Come. I'm coming. I'm coming.
But the goat want me.
Why?
I am not a worker.
You want to see them? When you don't have permission to do that job. Cows, Ricky. Run, Ricky, run. Run. We are going to other playground. We will play there. What are you doing?
Then stay on the couch with the goat.
They likes to sleep night time. Come.
And there's a cat down there.
Come this side. We have to go. We will come later on. Now we will play outside. There is one play area. We will play there, okay? Say bye to everyone. See you next time.
See you next time. We are going to give you food. Next time.
Next time Ricky will give you.
Food.
Yeah. Now we are going. Where? You know or you don't know?
Say
You want to see sunset today?
you are. You can get me.
Hmm?
Relax. Dodo, relax. Oh, Dodo pretend that I can sit on them. What? You did don't let me sit on you and take a photo. Oh, even a detour. What? What? How? How?
No, you can't jump.
Whoa. Look behind you. That is a real life ticket.
Really?
Oh, that's very cool. on my tractor. I am gonna drive. Where's the farm animal? What?
What?
No, try to cut me.
Slowly? Oh, one other slide.
Try to cut me. Cut me. Try to cut me now.
Hello. Watch your steps. Yep. Go, 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 go.
In the tube.
What will... Ah, maybe this is broken. What is not coming? It's very heavy. What will come?
Try to catch me. Try to get me. Well, we need to try to step in the app. Can you try to catch me? Try to catch me. Try to catch me. I can do it.
Whoa!
Now.
You can do it. With the other hand, you can just put with one hand. Yeah, you just do like this. Yeah. So you do it hard because you are not that big boy. Peekaboo!
Can you get me?
This is very old. I can see you from top
What?
because you are Spider-Man.
Okay.
Spider-Man can go on net too. Slowly. Watch your steps, Ricky. It's Spider-Man's net.
Help.
Spider-Man is stuck. What will Spider-Man will do now?
I'm stuck with my.
With your web?
No, this is a spider web. I need to get out. No.
Uh-oh.
Try to get me.
Uh-oh.
Try to get me. You couldn't. But now look at this. Let's go to the boat. Why can't you get near to the water?
I'm not near to water.
You are.
You, boy.
Some.
Where is your friend?
A goat.
What about a duck?
That can not my friend.
Goat is your friend? You miss him?
Yeah.
You want to see her next time?
Yeah.
You like goat?
But goats are not a girl.
Who?
Goats are boys.
This is a little funny.
What?
What have you done, boy?
What I do? Shadow. It's very big. Look at my shadow now. I look like daddy. I look like daddy.
You look like daddy. Oh, what you? You should watch your steps, boy.
Oh. That's in her.
You want to swing?
So, do you want to sit on that?
It's very cold. On those one, dekhi. Come. You want to sit here?
Yeah. On, yeah.
On this one.
I don't sit on.
Okay, just hold properly with the hands. Not bee. It's, you know what is that? Butterfly.
What? That. What? Do you want to be the high one or the...
No, just go there. The other one.
But you, how can we do this?
Just sit on and just hold your hand. Hold your hand from other side. Yeah.
Nah.
Stop.
Why?
Just hold with this one. Just hold with this rope. With rope. Just keep your feet over there and just hold with rope. Just watch your steps, Ricky. Come this side. I want to see you. Come this side, Ricky.
Yes. Now can you tell me? Can you we need to go the other way.
Yeah, from there you can go up.
So here, can you do this?
You can do this.
I don't hold that. What do you want?
Apple juice,
I don't have apple juice.
orange juice.
Yeah? Then,
How much? $1? Good. Do you have strawberries?
yeah.
Yay!